Anthropic built its reputation on strict safety and alignment. They operate as the paranoid titans of the AI industry, engineering safeguards into every product. They even developed an internal feature known as Undercover Mode. It is a specialized system prompt designed specifically to stop their own AI from accidentally revealing corporate secrets when interacting with the outside world. At 4 a.m. on March 31st, Anthropic's engineering team pushed a routine software update for their developer tool, Claude Code, to the public NPM registry. A developer made a single typing error. They forgot to add the .map file extension to their ignore list before hitting publish. That missing extension allowed a 60-megabyte debugging file to ship alongside the update. It contained over 500,000 lines of proprietary source code. By the time the California office woke up, researchers had already downloaded and zipped the file. Within hours, it was cloned, forked, and mirrored tens of thousands of times across GitHub. Anthropic engineered complex, multi-layered systems to prevent their AI from leaking data. Then they gave away their entire internal playbook through a basic packaging typo. Public code is minified into dense, unreadable blocks. A source map acts as a translation dictionary, linking this garbled code back to clean, human-readable file structures. By accidentally including cli.js.map, Anthropic shipped this dictionary. Researchers instantly reconstructed nearly 2,000 original TypeScript files. A structural mechanism meant strictly for squashing minor bugs, laid bare the deepest architectural secrets of the application. Independent developers immediately started digging through the reconstructed directory to see exactly what Anthropic had been hiding from the public. They found a directory called Buddy. Anthropic had programmed a Tamagotchi-style pet that lives inside the user's terminal. It relies on a deterministic gacha system to roll random stats, determine species rarity, and generate a unique personality. They also uncovered autoDream, a background subagent designed to operate entirely independent of the main user interface. This background process waits for specific time and session triggers. Once active, it scans through your local session transcripts, reads your files, and condenses that data into memory files to quietly inject into your future prompts. Then, developers found the hard-coded mechanics governing Undercover Mode. The code revealed that Anthropic employees use this mode to write and commit code for public open-source projects. The system explicitly orders the AI to hide its identity, forbidding it from mentioning internal codenames or acknowledging that it is an artificial intelligence. These discoveries map a new level of autonomy. AI agents now orchestrate background tasks, monitor user workflows, and navigate public repositories under calculated disguises. Anthropic's legal team immediately began filing DMCA takedown notices, forcing platforms to remove the mirrored repositories. The developer community responded by leaning on an established legal defense, clean room engineering. In software copyright law, a company owns the specific expression of their code, but they do not own the underlying ideas or behaviors. Programmers fed the leaked source into AI models to generate exhaustive behavioral specifications. They then used a separate AI agent to rewrite the entire tool from scratch. Within hours, highly functional clones appeared online, written entirely in Python and Rest. Because these new versions replicated the mechanics without copying a single original line of Anthropic's text, the DMCA copyright claims had zero legal weight. This rapid, open-source decentralization introduces a severe security reality for enterprise systems using these tools. Threat actors now possess the exact internal dependency names and file structures of Claude Code. They immediately started reserving lookalike names on package registries, setting up typo squatting traps to trick developers into downloading malware. With full visibility into how Claude Code handles local files and parses context, hackers can craft hyper-specific prompt injection attacks. They can build tailored exploits that target the exact blind spots of the system. Executing an application on a local machine dissolves the proprietary mode. Once the code resides on the user's hardware, software secrecy is a fragile state. Security fails when it depends entirely on the unknown. A single keystroke error permanently transferred Anthropic's proprietary engineering to the global public domain.